How to change profile picture on Talkie Soulful AI. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can easily change your profile picture on Talkie Soulful AI application. So first thing, make sure you have successfully downloaded this application from the Play Store. It's available for free on there. And make sure you have successfully logged into your account. And once you log into your account, simply click on this bottom right corner over here. Just click on it. And when you are inside here, just click on this edit pane button over here, and from over here you can see the option called camera. You can also change your username from over here. So once you click on your camera icon, it will redirect you to your gallery page, so you can select any random photos from over there, and as you can see, it will be successfully edited on your profile picture. As you can see, my username is under review, so it's not taking my profile picture, but once it gets reviewed, you can successfully change your profile picture just like that. So hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.